Welcome to our channel, where we bring you fascinating insights and information on various health topics. In today's video, we will be discussing what happens when you run out of electrolytes. So if you want to learn more about this vital aspect of our health, don't go anywhere. Electrolytes are minerals in our body that carry an electric charge, which help our muscles and nerves function properly. They are essential for the regulation of bodily functions such as hydration, pH balance, and nerve and muscle function. When we run out of electrolytes, it can lead to a variety of unpleasant symptoms, some of which can be severe. The most common electrolytes in our body are sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, and bicarbonate. These electrolytes are found in foods and drinks that we consume, and our bodies work to maintain a balance of them through a process called homeostasis. However, when we engage in activities that cause us to sweat, such as exercise or spending time in hot weather, we lose electrolytes through our sweat, which can lead to an imbalance. One of the most well-known conditions that can occur when we run out of electrolytes is called dehydration. When we lose fluids, we also lose electrolytes, which can lead to an imbalance in the body. Dehydration can cause symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, dry mouth, and thirst. Severe dehydration can lead to heat exhaustion, which is a potentially life-threatening condition that can cause symptoms such as confusion, rapid heartbeat, and loss of consciousness. Another condition that can occur when we run out of electrolytes is hyponatremia. This condition occurs when the sodium levels in our blood become too low, which can be caused by drinking too much water without replenishing electrolytes. Symptoms of hyponatremia can include headache, nausea, vomiting, confusion, and seizures. In severe cases, hyponatremia can be fatal. Muscle cramps are another common symptom of electrolyte imbalance. When we run out of electrolytes, our muscles may not function properly, which can lead to cramps, especially during exercise. Cramps can be painful and can interfere with our ability to perform physical activities. In addition to dehydration, hyponatremia, and muscle cramps, an electrolyte imbalance can also cause other symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, irregular heartbeat, and even seizures. These symptoms can be caused by a variety of factors, including a lack of electrolytes in the diet, excessive sweating, and certain medical conditions. Treatment for an electrolyte imbalance will depend on the underlying cause and the severity of the symptoms. In mild cases, replenishing electrolytes through diet or supplements may be sufficient. For more severe cases, medical intervention may be necessary, such as intravenous fluids and medications. To prevent an electrolyte imbalance, it is important to maintain proper hydration and to consume a balanced diet that includes foods that are rich in electrolytes. This can include foods such as bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes, nuts, and seeds. Sports drinks can also be helpful in replenishing electrolytes during and after physical activity. In conclusion, when we run out of electrolytes, it can lead to a variety of unpleasant symptoms that can range from mild to severe. Dehydration, hyponatremia, and muscle cramps are among the most common symptoms of electrolyte imbalance. It is important to maintain proper hydration and to consume a balanced diet that includes foods that are rich in electrolytes to prevent an electrolyte imbalance. In cases of severe symptoms, medical intervention may be necessary. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content on all things health related. And if you have any questions or comments on this topic, leave them down below, and we'll be sure to get back to you.